We got food, donuts and drinks, right?
Food?
Custard.
Donuts.
And Leclerc, because he's lame. Well, actually, there was enough donuts.
Are you putting this on your vlog?
No. Well, what do you mean, like?
Facebook.
Yeah.
YouTube.
Exactly. Well, not Facebook. They're going to be like, those are not dumbasses, you don't know.
Were you taking a video when I was posing in the second?
Yes.
Yeah. Well, no, the first one was a picture, and the second one we were like posing. That was totally a video.
We're cool because our pants are falling down and we're walking in the snow.
My pants are only falling down because I'm holding drinks.
If I eat enough donuts, my pants won't fall down.
You're just gaining weight on the spot. If your pants did fall, like what if my pants fell down when I was running away?
Hey, let's push Eric into that.
That'd be even
Let's
worse.
see how deep it is.
Like if you get your boxers wet in snow, that would suck.
Want to eat your donut and I'll carry the bag?
No. Well, no, because I have the thing that's protecting me right now.
The iPod?
Yeah. Well, and the bag too.
The donuts will protect.
Would you like to hold this so I can tackle Brian?
I can't. I don't have any free hands.
I'll probably wind up.
You guys just look like shadows from this angle. You're just all dark. Except for you. Okay, now you look a little bit darker. No, they're like black and you're red. It's funny.
What?
It's a party time while it's snowing and having a birthday bash. What happened? Oh, you look. Oh no! If there's snow in the nachos, just say that came with it, okay?
Nachos are okay.
Okay, it's
They're
good.
alive. Get up, Tyler.
Put that in.
Come on. Get up. I'm gonna kill you.
Keep on getting
Oh, hey.
He already is covered in snow. What are you talking
Get
about?
up. Come on, Tyler.
I'm gonna take this opportunity, like, fix my pants because we're not walking. Ah! Don't throw snow at me. I didn't do anything.
I'm throwing it at your vlog.
You're gonna get snow in my donuts.
Here, Tyler.
I wonder if my battery's gonna last long enough to get home. Do videos save if the thing just dies?
Come on, Tyler. We gotta go this way.
Yeah, where are you going?
We got all the food. It's okay. Eric's going.
Here we go. Oh shit. Ah!
Push it back down.
This is so awkward. I look like a dumb. Look at this. Look how I run. Oh, watch out. Oh, he got down again.
Nachos open.
Nacho's open.
Grab the donuts.
Should have ran.
Grab everything.
Where'd they go? Where'd they go? Are you sure they opened?
Yeah.
Quick, fix it.
Give Brian back the donut.
It's my donut.
Bitch, please, I ate your donut.
Donut slap.
Quiver slap.
Pussy. Flat.
Wet. It's too wet. Let's snow. So the nachos fine, or did it just like pop open?
I don't know what happened.
Because Brian was running with the freaking nachos.
No, I wasn't.
Yeah, you were.
Who wasn't?
Yeah, you were.
You were chasing Eric with the nachos.
We all saw. We have it on video.
I don't think I was lying.
You
You're
want
like,
to watch
Mom,
it?
we didn't ruin your nachos. Here's the video.
I'll just block her from the video.
On YouTube?
I'm not putting it on YouTube.
What are
You
you
block
putting it
people
on?
on Facebook. YouTube, I can block everybody.
You should add me on Facebook then.
Okie dokies.
And tag all of us in it. Here, Tyler.
Look at this.
Dude, look at everybody except for Tyler. Our pants are down around our ass cheeks.
I'm wearing sweatpants.
Around? There's nothing left.
Hold my hat, you make jackass.
I'm fixing your hat.
My ears are nice and warm.
Grab the front of the hat.
That's not even the opening for the hat, you retard.
Donut slap. Oh damn. She just got real.
Tyler, put the hat back on before you go home.
This is funny. I said that's gonna be funny if like my pants fall down and I trip.
If one of them gets hit by a car, I'm gonna cry. Quit acting like a retard.
Cry out loud. Oh my god.
This is first Friday night there was snow.
This is even just the first day.
Hey, car. Quit being stupid. Hello.
Hello. Nothing's going on here. My finger's in the way and I can't move it. I'm trying to wipe off my screen, but it's so wet.
I'm safe.
Oh my god. Look how bad this is.
Eric, can you make a skunk right over there?
Can I please, like, good lord.
I got him.
That was terrible. Okay, we're better. We're good. Why did it switch? Flip back over.
Fucking cold.
It's not flipping back over. It's like stuck in sideways mode.
You're gonna be stuck in sideways.
Or did I make it zoom in? Why is it all stupid looking now?
Tyler, try going on slack in the eyeball.
I'm just gonna nut slap you. So shush.
Hey, no violence, young lady.
Okay. Oh,
In the face.
not in the face. You're almost in the donuts. Go away. Why is my screen being stupid? Drive by? More like run by. We have to go in through the back now. Like, definitely. It looks like you're wearing white shoes. Not to mention, like...
No, stop. Wait. No, Eric. No.
Falling in the snow and shit again.
We gotta go in the front door.
I'm surprised your car's not more covered in snow. Like, I guess it's because your engine's warm.